but they probably. So I got these in. Come. Goodness. Okay. So I literally got everything in. Ooh, my hair feels soft. Maybe because of the gloves, I don't know. Of course, like on my ends and stuff, because she did have to reapply twice. So yeah, it's just something about black hair just does me right, and I like it. The problem is sometimes I get bored with it, and then it's like, I'm gonna just keep it black. Just let her shape my hair up when I desire like a cut and all of that. My hair to stay the color that I wanted. Yeah, so who's calling me? Okay, and this is not permanent, this is semi-permanent, so after a few washes my hair is going to revert back, but I ain't doing this again. I'm not. So I am going in with these two products. This can never ever do me wrong. So this is the conditioner, and this is the peppermint shampoo. I love it because it tingles. This has been a stapler for me since 2017 when I first went natural. So I love Shea Moisture products. So these are two of my cute little staple in my house. Well, I ended up having to dye my hair permanent, okay? Because as soon as I washed that weak little dye out, girl, my hair was still kind of burgundy-ish. So I just went ahead and just did permanent dye. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit and put this plastic bag on, and we are going to go from there. I did end up chopping my hair. I used my own clippers, and I do it myself. I did not go to my stylist. And this is something that I've been doing on my own for the longest. And yes, my white nails turned black on me, but this is what it's looking like. So let's go ahead and go to the next day. We are here in Best Buy. That's cute. $149. Oh no. It's $499. Yeah. No. This. Here we go. This is $199 for a drone. I'm getting the pocket.
Wait, what's the pocket?
Right there.
Yeah, like, what is that for?
Right there. Yeah.
I take care of my shoes.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Excuse me. Guess I better not touch. Or the alarm will go off. What y'all do? I know you ain't looking crazy. It's Sony. It's gonna be my intro. How much is it?
Let's see.
100 and something, I think.
150 for 2 years.
No.
Now you do have 15 days from date of purchase if you decide to change your mind on that.
Okay.
Yep. Did you need one? Oh,
No.
okay.
No.
All right. Just flash your receipt on the way. Good to go.
All right. Thank you. All right.
Take care, ladies. Have a
All
good
right.
one.
You too. Thanks. Yay. See, there goes another one. There goes another one. Flying out. What's wrong? Oh.
Yeah, it's Bam Bam on the beat. Pela Nugget. Mami, yo te quiero aquí. Nada fancy, just working for a G. Me dice que you tiki tiki tick, girl, date media vuelta, let's see. Rebota con el 1, 2, 3. Dime cuánto me deseas. Te quiero acariciar, acariciar. Dime cuánto me anhelas. Te quiero acariciar, acariciar. Perdóname que sé que te hablo sucio. Sé que tú viste este print y lo quieres, pero mientras me perreas, te voy a dar una nalgana de acariciar. Y que me tienes enchante. Jovencita 23, está brincando en ese Jordan que le encanta esta cancioncita gante. Hasta toda la bella cougar, gringuita white tiger y toda la morenita black panther. Y es que me acostumbré, a veces yo no sé qué hacer. Gata de otro nivel, pero sé que eso beber. Lo único que quiere este perro lamer. Dime cuánto me deseas, te quiero acariciar, acariciar. Dime cuánto me anhelas, te quiero acariciar, acariciar. Perdóname que sé que te hablo sucio. Sé que tú viste este print y lo quieres, pero mientras me perrea.
Okay, so welcome to the vlog, girl. I'm filming on my new camera. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a Ross haul. So I'm going to put you guys up here somewhere. These are the items. This is what I got from Ross. Yeah, come down here. Well, you won't come down here. All right, so we got some poppies. All right. So this one was $22.99 and you get 12 in a pack. Okay. I went and picked up some pumpkin pecan waffle. I was looking for like pumpkin spice or anything that has to do with pumpkin in it, but I didn't see any. So this one here was $4.99. I'm going to put this in my little pump dispenser that I got from Target. It cost me $3, so I'm gonna put some in there. They're being so loud. So next, I got some more poppies. All right, so this one was hush. $7.99. And all you get is, I think, 4 in here in this one. So I don't know why I got this, but I just got extra. Next thing I got from Ross was the Dove. So this one is a exfoliating body polish. And this one was $5.99. This one is crushed almond and mango butter. Your girl went and got her some more panties, you know. So these I got in a size small. All right, so small, and this one was 11 more sports bras. All right, because I needed these. So I got 3 in here, and these are $16.99. Who was that came? It followed. Hush. All right. So I got these in medium. So these are kind of thin. All right. So these are the Tommy Hilfiger. Got these in the size small, and it's $12.99. All right. Subject lost. Okay. Sports bras. This one only came with 2. This is Juicy Couture. And it was $10.99, okay? And this one I got in a size small. The other one I got in medium because I didn't see small, but it has a nice stretch to it. Okay. It lost focus. So next one I got was these scrub brushes. A round dry brush. So this is for massaging and exfoliating. So dry brushing is good for the saggy skin or loose skin. So just massaging like my thighs and my stomach. I think that should help. I got me some more of these loofahs. I needed some more, so I thought these were like real pretty. Okay. So I thought these right here were real pretty. Right here, the color of it. Why are you acting crazy? Focus. Okay. Then next, I got some mascara. How do I turn this thing around? Because, girlfriend, you acting weird. All right.
Praise the Lord! Praise the Lord!
All right, and here is the mascara that I had got.
And here is my jeans that I had got.
That is
Yes.
Those your jeans.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Talladega.
Talladega. All right, so yeah, this right here is really.
Oh,
This is all I got.
Praise the Lord!
Daddy!
Oh.
Goodness.
Right.
Big loud mouth.
Shut up.
Hey. Y'all gonna quit being the devil because I'm praising the Lord. Praise the Lord! Praise the Lord!
There you go. You on camera. Alright. She doesn't want it on her anymore. Alright, let me close all of my business back here. Alright, so cool. So now I got enough stuff to like do my skincare and where's your phone? Yeah, I got enough stuff to do my skincare and all of that. So let me show you the dispenser that I'm going to be pouring this in. Okay, right here is so this is the pump that I had got from out of Target. So I'm going to pour it in here. But first I'm going to clean this out. And then, yeah, it's a syrup bottle. I paid $3. Paid $3. This in here. And then we'll come back to that a little bit later. But other than that, yeah, girl, I'm loving this camera. Oh my God, I like it. It's a great investment. Yeah, I like it. I just got to play around with it some more. But I'll be back. So am I starting? No, I started the vlog yesterday. I don't know. But yeah, I'll be back. All right, so I'm putting together this four drawer dresser. This is gonna be for London. I'm loving the instructions. It's like broken down with pictures, step by step. Everything is not jumbled together. I like how I'm able to just get step 4 done first, then go to step 5. What's stressful is that there's about 29, 30. Oh, child. Room looks a hot mess right now because of it. But yeah, I got all of this. And this is the drawer. So it's really not that big. I thought it was going to be kind of tall. I'm glad I didn't get the 6 drawer because that would have been a mess. So I'll be back. Okay, so fun fact. I'm glad I did not throw away my Zumba DVDs, okay? I threw away a lot of other DVDs that I wish I never gotten rid of that I got for $1 from the Dollar Tree, like Jillian Michaels, yeah. All right, so here's my Zumba DVDs that I got from Walmart. I paid for these individually, which is why they're in their little separate things. This one is by Beto. I will not do any other Zumba without Beto. And I was like, okay, Amazon, I need you to give me a DVD player since I don't have my old school laptop anymore. So I got the new DVD, but the bad thing that sucked about this whole entire thing was that I could not hook it up to my TV that was on the wall. I had to hook it up to this little thing here. So now I have an extra TV that I have to use in order to use the DVD player. I'm glad I didn't throw away my old TVs. I'm glad I kept them. I'm always throwing away stuff, but I kept this one. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. Well, I have big chop 6 times this year. Especially and I had chopped my hair. I have went back relaxed. Then I can't stand it. It broke out and I did.
Start all over. I love you.
Goodness.
Who that is? My baby dad.
God,
Who that is?
please.
Hey, and you need to take that stuff off your lip, try to do your eyes and do your little thing. You should have just left it the way it was.
Boo. I need you to go.
Try to give yourself that little Buzz Lightyear haircut. Yes, Buzz.
You are a mess.